After hearing the word algebra, you probably start thinking about variables, constants, coefficient, expression, equations, and so on. And suddenly you get confused. But don't worry, in this video, I am going to explain algebra in the simplest way you have ever imagined. I have divided algebra into three parts. First, what is algebra? Second, how to solve any equation. Third, how algebra is used in the real world problems. Let's start with the first part. What is algebra? In this part, we will understand all the basic terms used in the algebra. Think of yourself as a detective, and the algebra is your tool, like a microscope, that helps you find unknown variables. Now, you might ask, what is a variable? A variable is simply a letter used to represent an unknown value, like x, y, or z. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Two friends, Ronaldo and Simido, are playing football. Their coach has a total of $100 to pay them. The coach decides that Simido's salary is $35. Now the question is, what is Ronaldo's salary? Since we don't know Ronaldo's salary, we assign it a variable like x. Now we form an equation. Total salaries equals Ronaldo's salary plus Simido's salary. So the equation becomes $100 equals x plus $35. After solving it, we get x equals 100 minus 35 equals $65. So Ronaldo's salary is $65. Now you understand how variable help us find unknown values. Let's move to the next term. What is a constant? In the previous example, Simido's salary was already known. It was $35. Values that are fixed and do not change are called constants. Now let's move to the next term, coefficient. Let's take the same example but make a small change. Suppose Ronaldo and Simido are paid the same amount for every match they play. In the month of April, their team play 5 matches. Simido earns $35 per match. So in total, he earns 35 times 5 equals $175. We still don't know Ronaldo's earning, so we represent it as X per match. Over 5 matches, Ronaldo earned 5 times X dollars, which equals 5x, and the coach pay a total of $500 for 5 matches. So the equation becomes 500 equals 175 plus 5x. In this equation, the number 5 attached to the x does not change. This number is called a coefficient. A coefficient is any constant that multiplies a variable. Now let's move to the next term, expression. Suppose someone asks, what is the sum of Ronaldo and Simido's salary? We don't know Ronaldo's salary, but we know Simido's is $35. So we represent it as x plus 35. This mathematical statement is called an expression. Any mathematical phrase without an equal sign is an expression. When we add an equal sign, it becomes an equation. You can think of an equation like a balance. Both sides must be equal. Ronaldo's salary plus Simido's salary equals total budget paid by the coach. Now you understand all the key terms of algebra: variable, constant, coefficient, expression, and equations. In the next video, we will learn different types of equations and how to solve them step by step.